What's up, y'all? This is Terrance Drayton Strollr LLC. T got them beats, and I'm just making this video in reply to a question that I got. Um, Someone was asking, how can you do Uber as a LLC? And that's a good question because I'm still actually trying to figure out how to completely do that. But what I have found out is that, okay, if you want to do Uber as a LLC, what Uber told me is that you have to have your documents under your LLC. So that means that your insurance has to be, it's better if it's through your LLC name has to be on that insurance. So when you go get the car insurance, you use your LLC name. Okay, when you go to register your vehicle, you use your LLC name and your EIN number. You use that. That's a total separate entity from you as a person. And what I'm finding out is the main thing is you have to keep your personal stuff as far away from your LLC, if you can understand what I'm saying. I want to do more research on this, but I've also found out that the name that you have on your Uber account, you might want to say, okay, your LLC name, or say your personal name doing business as your LLC name. I'm not a legal advisor, a financial advisor, or anything like that, but I'm just telling you what I've come into from my research. And also, another thing to think about is if you do your rideshare as an LLC, then you have the question of, should you get commercial insurance as well? I'm still learning about these things, but I know that commercial insurance is higher, and I'm not totally sure if you can get insured. I mean, if you have a company, then I would think that you have to have commercial insurance for your company. I'm not totally sure about that. Don't quote me on it. But what I do know is if you're trying to do Uber or Lyft or anything as a LLC, it's best that you put everything under that LLC name. But I would say do more research on this, because I'm not totally 100% sure on everything concerning this. I'm just telling you what I have heard, because it's funny, because I've also heard that it might be wise to not get commercial insurance because it's so high. And the other thing is, if you get a vehicle under your LLC name, it's like it's a whole nother ball game. Like, if someone is driving your vehicle and your LLC is all over that vehicle, like your name is registered under your LLC, and if you just maybe you let your wife drive your vehicle, she gets in a wreck in the vehicle, well, then it's your LLC, your company is involved now. It's not just like it's you personally, but now your company is involved in whatever comes out of that situation. Something else that I was told is, I'm not a tax professional, but when it comes to taxes, okay, what my tax lady told me is that put you want to have a bank account under your LLC, right? And you want to attach that account to your Uber account. You want money to be coming from Uber to your LLC account, not to your personal account. Your personal account is a whole different entity. Your LLC account, your business account, that's a whole different thing. And that's where you want your money to go, not to your personal account, but you want it to go to your business account. And so far, that's what I've learned. I hope that some of this information can help you. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else that I might need to let y'all know about that. But you're also gonna need an EIN number. So if you're trying to do Uber as a LLC, you're gonna have to go to the IRS website, and you're gonna need EIN number. It doesn't take long. It's not hard to do. It doesn't cost any money. But the one thing, that I keep thinking about, and I need to do more research on, is, if you when you register everything in